nettles on the way down. Oh, God. What's ahead of you? Whoa, okay. You're very tight.
So today it's the last day of August. It is a very quiet and lazy Sunday. Weather's looking pretty good. It's a bit windy. We're gonna grab the kayak here at Lechlade, get it on the roof, take it to the Old Swan at Radcot where they've got a slipway, put it in there and head towards Oxford on the Thames, encountering some locks on the way. And I believe the only canoe pass on the Upper Thames, please comment if I'm wrong there, canoe kayak pass, you'll see what I mean when we get there. So I'm hoping that that'll be open and we can go down there as well. So grab a cup of tea, a pint, whatever you're into, and let's go.
Radcot, from whence it began. So we used to have a boat moored just there on the right in this gap. That was our first boat. That was a little 16-foot Shetland. Here at Radcot, it's the only pass on the Upper Thames, I believe, possibly even the Thames. Comment in the description. And Alan's going first. It's graded number 2. I don't know if anyone knows what that means. Again, comment in the description. I have no idea. And it warns us that there are strong currents. We can see the water being pulled into the entrance. So we are going to give it a go. Decided to go for a little paddle rather than try it, because it's very narrow, rather than trying it with the big kayak oars. And Alan's going in.
I'll see you at the bottom.
I'll see you at the bottom. If I hear a loud cry, I know you've not made it.
Okay, here we go.
I'm hoping that my 360 is going to clear that. Off you go. Off he goes. Right, let's do this. Camera going to clear the back to front belts. Oh, this is fun. So we're going to drop down here. Whoa. You're a bit of a passenger with this, really. Yeah, the current is strong at the moment. Wow, this is great fun. Sit on the boat. Have to paddle quite hard. Clear the rocks. Turning. Wedged in here. Lots of stingers. Here we go again. The next part. Collected a lot of foliage. The next little mini rapids. Here we go. Ahead of you. Whoa, okay. Going into the unknown. And here we come with that Canoe. Oh, that was fantastic. I bet you got a bit wet, didn't you? I didn't know it was that overgrown. That was amazing. Right, let's switch back to the main paddle.
Need to build a pump now.
I can lend you mine.
Eh?
I'll lend you mine. Right. I've collected a lot of foliage. Oh, let's just show you the out where it comes out. So here's the weir, and you can see the water level. Oh, yeah, definitely needs cutting back. You literally, well, you've just seen it comes out quite a pace, as you can see there. A lot of stinging nettles on the way down. Right, let's go and let Alan bilge the boat. Right, canoe pass done. We're now going to continue our trip down towards Oxford. It's a bit pongy here. But if you do want to use the canoe pass, it does say open, but it is very overgrown. I definitely don't recommend it for any young people unless they're experienced. I'm not experienced, and it was a bit of a challenge. So yeah, we have had a lot of rainfall in the last few days, so it's probably a lot faster than it would normally be, but that reaches, that's good. Let's get this closed. Going to go for it on that on the testicles.
You're there, you're in. You've swamped me.
Oh, kingfisher. Yeah, yeah. Oh, kingfisher. Yeah, yeah.
Go down towards Oxford, towards the oh dear, you never know I was a cameraman for a living.